You're my soft spot, you're my weakness, you're my energy when I'm going off the deep end, and I'm drowning without you here. I'm drowning without you near. I'm drowning like I could go maybe a day or maybe a week without you, but I know that that'll change eventually, 'cause I'm nothing without you. Oh, count down to 3 till you're back with me, and I'm happy, so happy when I'm with you. And when you're not around, I don't know what to do. You're my soft spot, you're my weakness, you're my energy when I'm going off the deep end, and I'm drowning without you here. I'm drowning without you near. I'm drowning like head underwater, my head underwater. I gotta come up for some air, but I cannot move, I cannot go anywhere. 'Cause the last time I left, I came right back expecting her right by my side, but instead all I got was a late night call with stuff I've heard thousands of times. I've heard before, you don't need me anymore, but I'll stay right here with you anyways. 'Cause yeah, I drown when I'm with you, I drown when I'm with you, but I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. You're my soft spot, you're my weakness, you're my energy when I'm going off the deep end, and I'm drowning without you here. I'm drowning without you near. You're my soft spot, you're my weakness, you're my energy when I'm going off the deep end, and I'm drowning without you here. I'm drowning without you near. I'm drowning like they saying all girls the same, but I swear that you different. If you tryna play a game, then I might try to win it. I ain't saying I'm in love with you. Okay, maybe I'm in love with you. Could you be different? Could you be different from all the rest? The way that I'm feeling, the way that I'm feeling is better than the best. 'Cause I ain't ever felt like this before. Girl, I swear I need you more and more. Could you be different? Could you be different? Baby, I can get along with you. I could probably write a song for you. Girl, I'm sorry if I'm on to you, but you got me like, ooh. Girl, just tell me what is wrong with you. Is there anything that I could do to maybe try and make you smile? I know it's been a while since somebody's done it all for you. Baby, I could give you 1, give you 2, maybe 3 if you know it. Tell me that you love me, girl, I promise that I'll show it to you. What we gon' do said that I'm feeling you, and baby, know it's true. Baby, I could go all day with this, but I know that's dangerous. And you tell me how you feel about me, but I know that will change eventually. Could you be different? Could you be different from all the rest? The way that I'm feeling, the way that I'm feeling is better than the best. Cause I ain't never felt like this before. Girl, I swear I need you more and more. Could you be different? U-N-W-O Could you be different?
R-T-H-Y Me? Unworthy? My baby different cause she better than the rest. She make me wanna do my best, and when I see ya, I'ma flex, ooh. Cause I stay lifted for you. I mean what? I'm already pretty fit. So, you're the kind that I wanna be showing off to mama. Little shorty at home with me, but in heels you're probably taller. When we pull up to Mickey D, she ordering off the dollar. When you have your first kid, I better be his father. I wanna take off the ripped jeans that I bought you, return them. They're giving me dirty thoughts, so I'm learning, but you earned it. On the weekend, she said, baby, let me explore. Pretend we're astronauts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Baby, we can take off to Mars, or we can shoot for the stars. I'm down for anything, or we can go to the moon, so we can get home soon. Whatever the case is, I'm the G to your love. We feel like a glove, you're sent from above, and I know that you know what I'm thinking of. You plus me, we could be so unique. What do you think? Say yes, please.
Could you be different? Could you be different from all the rest? The way that I'm feeling, the way that I'm feeling is better than the best. Cause I ain't never felt like this before. Girl, I swear I need you more and more. Could you be different? Could you be different?
Could you be different? Could you be different from all?
This isn't where you sing.
Bro, what do you mean?
Bro, this isn't your part. You had your part already. This is mine.
Oh, well, let's go ahead and take a step back now, though. This girl over here is way too different for both of us, homie.
I mean, I guess you're right. I guess you're right about that. But I'm still willing to like give her a shot, if you know what I'm saying. Unless you want her.
I mean, you got it, dog. You got it.
She's just too different, bro.
First love's the hardest, the next love's the strongest, the third love does nothing but hurt. First love I needed, the next love I cheated, cause I was so scared she went first. Baby, I got love scars, oh. Baby, I took it too far, oh. So please don't get mad at me when I will act funny, cause I've never had someone else like you. I ain't even trying to fight with you, I'm just trying to make it right with you. I just want more than a night with you, wanna be more than alright with you. You push away, I get away from me, but girl, I can't help but to stay. Oh, but can you help me cause I'm dying tonight? Can you help me out, I'm crying tonight? All conversations end up in a fight. You end up saying I promise I'm fine. You try to lie. Girl, I know you try to lie to me, but girl, you know that you can try. There ain't no way that will slide with me. Baby, I got love scars, oh. Baby, I took it too far, oh. So please don't get mad at me when I will act funny, cause I've never had someone else like you, Baby, I got love scars, everybody know that. I was feeling kinda cliche when I wrote that. When you took a vote toward me, I ain't vote that. Guess there was a fake vote, baby, and I know that. Maybe you didn't care about what I thought about it. Maybe you didn't care about my feelings, but I doubt it. Maybe you never shared everything that you ever feared. When you won't crawling back, girl, I hope you know I shout it. I don't really care about you no more. I don't really care cause my heart is so sore. Like every time I talk to you, you talk to me like I was everything you ever dreamed you ever need. You would come right back and try to stay for a while. Every time you leave, girl, I swear that I would smile. You ask me why I left, get a reason from the pile. I got all these love scars looking suicidal. She took my heart and broke it into pieces. love scars. Oh, baby, I took it too far. Oh, please don't get mad at me when I will act funny, 'cause I've never had someone else like you. You ain't gotta love me like I love you. I can't put no one above you. When you in the race, can nobody outrun you. Ain't nobody outdone you. Speaking of the pace, can we slow down? We ain't gonna stop till it's our town. Can we take it slow, slow, slow? Baby, can we take it so slow? Slow down, slow now. Can we take it so slow? Slow down. Baby, can we take it so slow? Slow down, slow now. Can we take it so slow? Slow, slow. The way you smile at me make me feel so proud to be. Everything you say about me is just what I was made to be. And that's okay with me. Come collect this fame with me. Come correct my aim for me and show me love so aimlessly. Baby, I've been going all day, trying to find another way. They fighting, I'm letting the dogs play, trying to figure what to say. Talking about me, it ain't nothing important. Talking about everything I own's imported. I got a whip on the highway, I floor it. I got the baddest, oh mama, you gorgeous. I love going out in the night with you. I even love getting in fights with you. If I got no service, I'll write to you. If I miss you bad, then I'll write you too. Girl, you love it when I grab you by the wayside. Ain't nobody gonna talk when the water waist high. When we headed to the top, I make sure haters stay high. And then I'll look you in the eyes and say, nobody can take it slow like us. When you have what we have, there's no reason to rush.